All right, a lot of guys don't think that you can run a factory valve cover with roller rocker arms, and you can, but the reason that most of the time you cannot put a factory valve cover on these is because of the rocker nut itself. It's not necessarily the rocker arm, it's the rocker arm nut. So what if you look at that, they stick up pretty far over top of the rocker arm, and so what you have to do is you got to get a shorter rocker arm nut, and you can do that because if you look down inside of this thing, I don't know how well you can see in there, but you can see the lock nut is quite a ways down inside this rocker arm nut. So you can do one of two things. You can buy a shorter nut, or you can take these to, or if you have a lathe, you can do it yourself. But you can take these to a machine shop and you can have them cut down. And all it takes is roughly, if you look at this valve cover we have sitting on the head over here, it's, I don't know, we're going to probably end up taking, these nuts are 2 inches overall length. We're probably going to cut them down to about 1.5 inches. And we got plenty of thread down inside that to do that with, no problem. I don't know if it's, yeah, you can see it down in there. This thing wants to not focus, but anyhow, we can take all that thread away, which is going to take that rocker arm nut down a little bit, so it gives us more room for the, or so the valve cover will bolt on this thing with no problem. So once we do that, I would give everybody an update. I'm probably going to buy rocker nuts for this one, new ones, because it's going to be cheaper than taking these to the machine shop and having them cut down, because they are hardened steel. So stay tuned and you'll get to see the result when we're done. But you can see on this here, this valve cover rocks back and forth quite a bit on there, and it's because the rocker nut's holding it up off the head.